I'm sorry, I'm not the way you paint the picture of me. I'm sorry you chose to stand. Big mistake, play the game. Should've never given it away. No, I didn't mean to. You get hurt at all. I appreciate the time with you. My heart is when I'm with you. I don't think we're compatible. It's just not impossible. No, we all kinda selfish, baby. Please don't judge me. Please don't. I think I need to. I just need to go ahead and leave. Be lonely. Leave you where you're lonely. Leave you where you're lonely. Please don't fall in love with me. You're lonely. You don't even know me. I leave you lonely. Found out who I am through you, and it turns out I ain't for you. We made them plans and I let them fall through. Didn't mean to cause all this damage. Is it my fault? Why'd you have to fall? I think I need to. I just need to go ahead and leave. You're lonely. Leave you where you're lonely. Leave you where you're lonely. Please don't fall in love with me. You're lonely. You don't even know me. I leave you lonely. Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Koketso Cocktail. If you're tuning in for the first time today, welcome to it. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Hit that notification button so that whenever I get to upload a video, honey, you're the first person to know. I'm actually looking for like a proper lighting, so I'm turning and twisting around so that I get a proper lighting. Okay, I don't know, but this looks better. But anyway, guys, I am home. I'm in Taung, and right now I am actually at my granny's place. We are here for the renewal of tombstones with my family. So basically what's happening is that some other tombstones were broken, some need like just renewing, some just need to be washed, some need to be like they need originally like a fence over them. So that's what we've been doing this whole week. Well, not me per se, but like my family. So we're just here to have a little event to just say, hey, we here, we see you, we have just renewed, and this is just to bring the family, all my family members together to just have a good time, basically, I would say, and just celebrate them, all the people that have passed on. And it's about five tombstones that we've renewed. Well, altogether it's like 11 people that we will be putting candles on for tonight, but yeah, for tomorrow, but altogether 5 were renewed. But yeah, right now I'm we by my granny's place, so I'm with my cousin. He's busy putting in chairs, because we need chairs. Right now I'm trying. I don't know. Hey, Eric is leak. Sharp. So I'm driving my sister's other car, so because he's the only one that's just practical for all of these things to happen. I came today, left Pretoria at 7, now I'm here. Yeah, so yeah, come with me. Gamoduana, basically. Gamoduana, I'll show you around, guys. I'll show you around. Yeah. I've been meaning to start this vlog, but okay. And right now, okay, 20 past. At 6 o'clock, we're going to the tombstones. Me and my 2 cousins, we're gonna wash the tombstones. We're going to the graveyard, and then we're gonna wash the tombstones. And tomorrow, it's the little mini ceremony. Yeah. Okay, guys. I don't know what is the flame. I'll see you guys in a bit, and I'll show you around. Hello. What's that thing?
Are you on your way? Are you coming soon to me? No parking in the place, so I'ma send an Uber to your place. It's my secret safe, safe with just you and me. We can't leave a trace. This is my favorite mistake. Oh, look in my eyes. Can you find the lies? Do you feel alive? Look in my eyes. Do you mind the lies? Do you feel alive? Look in my eyes. We both know it's wrong, but you're still coming over. Even when you're gone, that feeling just grows stronger. Should leave it alone, but you're still getting close. We both know it's wrong. Can't keep this for long. What's going on? We're in a song. Are you on your way? Are you coming close to me? I'm getting impatient. Oh, look at what you do to me. Our secret safe, so you're my favorite mistake. That's why we gotta keep it on the low. Gotta humble sheep, don't need to know. Don't let this boat be on the low. Oh, look in my eyes. Can you find the lies? Do you feel alive? Look in my eyes. Do you mind the lies? Do you feel alive? Look in my eyes. We both know it's wrong, but you're still coming over. Even when you're gone, the feeling just grows strong. Can't leave it alone, but you're still getting close. We both know it's wrong. Can't keep this for long. All is going on. We're in a song.
I'm looking for somebody I can call. Looking for the only one I can get my own. Tell me that it's you. What you wanna do?
Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Cook. It's a cocktail. And if you're tuning in for the first time today, welcome to it. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Hit that subscribe button. Then you see that red button? Yeah, that one. It's free. Just click on it. That's what's up. Yeah, guys. So today's a Saturday, and I am going to run my errands. And just know that Osihayo. So, because I'm a little girl, I'm going to run errands with this girl, my daughter, and I know how the story goes, but I'm just taking my chances. I'm going to a few shops. I'm gonna get this and that. I'm going to Takealot also to collect my package. I bought a few things. I'll just show you when I get home. I'm going to Pep Home. I'm going to Spa. I'm going to a whole lot of places. So, but yeah. So you guys, I'll show you. And when I come back, the time right now is 11 o'clock. And yeah, I think I'll also have lunch that side at the mall, so this little one can play. Yeah, so that's what's up, guys. I had forgotten that it's actually Vlogtober. So highly Vlogtober, yeah. Now I'm actually on, that means I'm on episode 2, baby. So stay tuned. I am going to be uploading a video every week. Hopefully 2 there and here where I can, but I can't promise anything. But as is, I think episode 2 is coming up. Hope you enjoyed my my living room makeover video, because I realized that the lighting was so bad after I shot. So I was like, you know what? Next time I'll do better. But yeah, As you can see, I'm doing better because you can see the lighting is popping, honey. I'm looking good. I'm looking crispy. I'm glowing. Happiness. It's coming out of my pores right now. Okay, guys, I'll see you guys in a bit. Let me go.
I should've put you somewhere where no one can find you. Mansion out in the sticks with nothing around you. Katy, Texas, Dallas, Texas, you know a different environment. You got desires, I know. You got desires, I know. You got desires.
Look at that fire, and I'm not a liar. You had me down on my knees every time I had to talk beside. I'm in that 80 and one of the different prior. I try to pay all your loans off and copy you a driver. I had to stand too close to the city. You acting too vulnerable living this life. I still move you away from history before I copy all this ice. You wanna be my number one? You're not acting like the main thing. I let you play my number two. You barely made the second change.
Put you somewhere where no one can find you. Mansion out in the sticks with nothing around you. Katy, Texas, Dallas, Texas, you know a different environment. You got desires, I know. You got desires.
Just received my Takealot delivery. I just received my Takealot delivery. 1, 2, 3, and I also went to Ep2. Home. I got some few things for you to check out.
Mama,
Yes, my angel.
don't do this thing.
But I
Eh?
can't lift you up. But hello.
Hello.
How are you?
Hi, you.
Oh, bye.
Oh, bye.
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 Shop. Yo, guys, really problem. Okay, guys, I'm just gonna unbox and show you guys what I got. I'm so excited, actually, especially for my Takealot delivery, because I've been wanting to change stuff. Yeah, but right, finally. I don't know. Takealot is like so dramatic. Why these big boxes? Like 3 big boxes. Okay, this one, like, but still, couldn't you just fit everything in? More box in your one. But anyway, let's just go. Let me show you what I got.
Ooh, shawty, you tried it. Boys getting filled with entitlement. Why would you
I
tell
ordered
me
last
those lies?
week.
Why would you make it
Last
so
week when
hard to
on
me?
Saturday actually.
Why is stories all over?
No, Friday. I was supposed to get them
Whole
on
lot of
Saturday.
secret friends
But
don't
some of my
keep
stuff are
saying.
delayed. That's why.
Where did your friends all go?
Today. So, and also
I
those
can't
stuff.
solve your problem.
So I
You say your
got.
problems never needed solving. I was too good, so you should've stayed silent. Nice guys always finish off where they started. Deja vu, you wanted things and you got it. Deja vu, I wanted smoke and I got it. Deja vu, deja, deja.
Say you're happy now. Hope you're happy now. I wish I could bank on us, on us. You can get none by run, baby, bye. I can get the real love all your time. I just need you.
I'm actually looking forward to the toaster, you guys, because I don't have a toaster. I used to like put my bread on the oven, so that thing stops today because girl got self-assist. I love it. Love it. Love it, love it. So I'm just gonna set it up. Actually, you know what? I was actually looking more than anything. I was looking forward to this to this set more than anything else. So I'm gonna set it up right now, and you're gonna watch me as I set it up and change my whole, not my whole, but like my this section setup.
Can get none by run, baby, bye. I can get the real love on your time. I just need your heart to see. I just need the air you breathe. But you can get one. You can get one from me. One from me. You can get one from me. Let it out, take it back, talking shit, all you do. Couldn't help thinking of all that you put me through. More than your behavior. But if you think I'm gonna stay, then you can get way. You can get way. Then you can get way. Then you can get way. Play with me, babe. Play with me, baby. Play with me, babe. Play with me, baby. Play a little game with you. Cause if you wanna say, then you play with my yeah. You playing with my heart, yeah. You playing with my heart, you playing with me, oh boy.
That's my setup. Can you see that? I love it. I love it for me. I love it. So I am gonna unbox the second thing from Takealot. Like this thing is so small. I can so why I'm feeling such a big box, you know? Takealot in a drama. One thing about Takealot in a drama. Oh, Mama, you think I'm unboxing presents? It's not presents, my angel. She's busy singing happy birthday. It's actually a shower head. So I'm gonna try maybe in the next vlog, then you'll see I need to in my next vlog I'll be redoing my bathroom because it's just so plain as well and boring, dull and boring. So I'm gonna do I'm excited because this shower head looks so big. This on. Hey guys. Yo, okay, see there's the connections, I think it's it. Because I was scared it's just this plate, so there's connections, I think it's it. So I'm excited. I'm gonna do my whole bathroom. I went to Pep Home on Saturday and I didn't find anything that I want for my bathroom, because I wanted to turn it to be all black. So I'm struggling to find some other pieces that I want, like there's a lot that I actually didn't get at Pep Home that I normally see when I don't have money. So now that I have money, it's not there. So but I got this thingy. I got it for 179. That set was actually 900 and something, guys.
Mama.
It's not over 1,000, 900 and something. This was like 179. So I'm excited to change my shower head as well. For the shower head. See this? Ndoni. Kibalun. Kibalun. Yeah. So I actually got a book as well because my nights were becoming so monotonous. I was just sleep early, so and actually just be on the phone most of the time, so I didn't have anything to read. So this book, I don't remember who was on the touchdown. They recommended it. So the lady was just basically saying she attempted suicide, and then her mom recommended this book, which is I forgot the name of the book, but I'll show you guys now. So I immediately went to, because I didn't know what to read. You know, sometimes you just need recommendations. So when she recommended the book, I immediately went on to Takealot and I put it on my cart. And I'm like, this book I'm getting when I have money. Yeah, this is the book. Apparently it's an oldie, but it's a goodie. It's called The Purpose-Driven Life, by Rick Warren. So guys, I'm just literally struggling because you know what? There are times you're doing something but you just think to yourself, is it worth it? Because I just literally wake up, do it, come back home. It doesn't fulfill me. It's there to pay the bills. I'm doing something that just pays the bills. It's not something that fulfills me. So I'm struggling to find, and it's okay to be 34 and still struggle to find what you want to be doing or what you really, or what is your purpose in life. Because really, I just want to live a purposeful life. And one thing I've been doing in the past few days is like I've been praying to God to align me with my purpose because I'm struggling. So I'm glad that I actually heard that lady talk about the purpose-driven life, because there was a time I actually went even on Google. I tried to finding your purpose books, wada. Like, you know, I'm just in a state where I'm literally just confused about a lot of things, but I'm hoping this book just gives me what I need to know or read, or just shows me a direction that I need to be taking in my life, you know. So yeah, that's just about it. This is the book that I got. And then I went to Pep Home because I was looking for like things for the house, for the bathroom, as I said. So I got things under 50 bags. I got this. It was $1.99. I got this. It is 20 bucks. I got this because mine, the current one is finished. It's actually, you know, you should know the price. It's actually quite under 50 rand as well. I also got this because it's so cute. So I just thought it would go here instead of that thing, the blue thing that's there. So I'm gonna put this instead. Toothpick holder. It's 20 rand. And I also got this. It was the diffuser. I just like the packaging. So I actually, every time I get a new diffuser, I'm just gonna refill because this looks so good. I'm gonna put it in my living room area. It was $79.99 if I'm not mistaken. Yes, it was $79.99. So yeah guys, that's about it. I hope you enjoyed my vlog. And yeah, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See you in the other vlog. It's a Vlogtober, baby.